TUI Airlines have reduced carbon emissions per passenger by 10% over the last 6 years.
If aviation is to thrive, it needs to become more efficient.
Our project is about advancing technologies for the aviation industry. Take new technologies and go out and test them in a real-world environment.
We've installed these sweep jet actuators that NASA supplied on the vertical tail, and these jets of air blow over the rudder and they cause the airflow to stay attached to the rudder, and that makes it more effective at producing force that steers the airplane. If the rudder is more effective, then we can actually make the vertical tail and the rudder smaller, then they produce less drag for the airplane and they increase the fuel efficiency, less emissions, less fuel used for the same flights.
Insect accretion mitigation is a collaboration between NASA and Boeing to reduce the insect accumulations on the wing, which will in turn reduce the drag on the wing itself and improve our fuel mileage.
It's also a unique opportunity for us to demonstrate how technology we developed were able to really recycle these materials from the airplane back to the aerospace industry, which greatly reduced the use of the raw materials.
What we're doing can really change how we design aircraft and make revolutionary improvements to the efficiency of our aircraft to make them more fuel efficient and produce less emissions.
We're the 7th largest airline in Europe, and aviation accounts for over 80% of TUI Group's carbon footprint.
We operate the most carbon efficient airlines across Europe. We aim to maintain that position and build upon it.